Aubergine Parmigiana 2 ways.
Italian version.
Filipino version.
Which is the best?
Very nice.
What do you mean by indicate? Like when I say, when you show and then
Which is the best?
so for the best,
Aubergine Parmigiana yun.
aubergine. Wait, Parmigiana can be different.
Aubergine Parmigiana.
And we will see later which one is the best version. For sure, it's the Filipino one.
The Filipino one, for sure. Mama will agree. The Filipino.
Chef Luca, Chef Eileen, this is live in full flavor from Abu Dhabi. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and let us know if you like to see one recipe. Comment below, please, and
Subscribe!
And there are different ways of preparing this dish. The most common is taking a slice of aubergine and fry them. We pass through flour, egg, and we fry. After we have a version that is breaded. That means flour, egg, and breadcrumb to get this crispy layer outside. After there is the version that I will do today, I consider it the healthy version and fast version where we just bake in the oven the aubergine. Of course, the best, a little bit unhealthy, but the best is when you fry them, that's for sure. And that's it. I'm Luca de Santis, professional chef. That's my kitchen. Comfort food, life in full flavor. Please subscribe. And in this episode with Chef Eileen, we will do Parmigiana Italian style, Parmigiana Filipino way we invented today. For the ingredients, let's start from the classic Italian version. We got a kilo of aubergine. Remember the aubergine to choose the right one. The cap need to be green, the flesh need to be firm. Look at that. And of course, with no defect if it's possible.
And for the Filipino version, we will use this big eggplant. Of course, in the Philippines, we use the normal talong, which is the small ones, but this one are way better.
Mozzarella cheese, of course, I bought the grated one. If you want the fresh one, just slice it and put on paper because need to really a little bit of the juice, otherwise your Parmigiana will be super soggy. Parmesan cheese, I got 48 month from Italy, very nice cheese. We will grate it fresh on top, in every layer.
And for the Filipino version, mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Because Filipino love cheese.
Filipino love cheese.
Fresh basil, of course.
And a touch of oregano.
Mexican oregano, of course. And for the tomato sauce, I told you, you can do your own tomato sauce. I will do a cat corner version. I will use the passata 1 liter. I will blend it with 1 spoon of doppio concentrato di pomodoro or tomato paste, 1-2 garlic cloves, olive oil, salt, pepper, of course.
And for the Filipino version, you can use any of this Filipino style. For sure, it's going to be sweet.
Or you can use this, the Filipino tomato sauce for cheese all include, that is made for the spaghetti, but in the Parmigiana will be beautiful.
Of course, garlic. And to be fancy like Italian, we will use virgin olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil.
Okay. extra virgin olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil.
Don't watch, mama. What about the step? Super simple in this version. Before we slice the aubergine, half centimeter thick, we cover it with salt and we let it sweat and work out for at least 20 minutes. After that, we push it in the oven, preheat at 180 for 15-20 minutes. In the meantime, step number 2, we prepare the sauce. Of course, if you do the normal tomato sauce, take your time, start with that. If you do my version, just take all the ingredients. In the meantime, the aubergine are cooked, blend all together, taste it fine. Step number 3, we build our Parmigiana. That means layer of aubergine, tomato sauce, mozzarella, cover it with a thin layer of Parmesan cheese, grated fresh, of course, basil, and start again till the end. After that, we bake it the last time. Cover it with aluminum foil and bake it at least 20 minutes. Remove the aluminum foil and another 10 minutes.
And for the Filipino version, same 180 degrees, 20 minutes covered, and then 10 minutes uncovered.
Reinventing Filipino cuisine and modify the Italian. They will kill me what to do. This is Chef Luca, professional chef.
This is Chef Eileen, chef at home. What?
And look at that. Italian version and the Filipino one. Time to enjoy those beauty. This is Chef Luca, Chef Eileen. This is life in full flavor. That's your channel, guys. Please ring the bell, comment, and
Share to your family and subscribe.
subscribe, guys. And of course, after we will enjoy this beautiful dish. And time to test both versions. And let's start from the Italian, of course. Look at that. Actually, very nice. Is very good, guys. Nothing to say about. And very good. Let's test the Filipino one. If I need to be honest, smell Carabao. Not bad. Super sweet, actually. Consistency of ketchup. Very nice. Smell Carabao. Try your own, make your own. Let us know which is the best.
Comment down below which one you love.
Comment down below as usual.
And we will see later which one is the best version. For sure, it's the Filipino one. What?